Hello students, again I'm in front of you to discuss about the last part of the integrals. After this part, one more part will be there, okay? In this particular part, it is integration of the definite integral by the substitution method. Means you already learned the substitution method. In this one, substitution, how the definite part will be changing, that you need to understand here. The procedure is simple for the evaluation of definite integrals. I'd like to say in the simple way, whenever for the substitution method in the integral, you are substituting for the tan inverse of x divided by 1 plus x square is there, means you are going to take tan inverse of x as a t. Means whenever you are going to take a substitution for the either t, theta or alpha, beta, whatever it may be, at that time what are the changes you have to make, that you know already. What are the changes means you can change that x derivative will be dx, tan derivative will be second square x dx, like this you are going to do. With that, what you have to do is very simple thing you need to observe. You need to change the limit of integrals. What? Change the limit of integrals. Means the limits will be changing with respect to change in the variable. If I am changing theta to x or theta to t or x to t, whatever the changes are there, with respect to that changes, what I have to make, I need to take the changes, the limits also. I need to change the limits. After that, means what are the changes we have to made, that we need to substitute in the next step, and we need to change the limit. So limit of the integrals. After that, the procedures will be same, no change in that. Okay, now in this one, instead of saying the procedure, I already told you the what is the change. Now I'd like to start this session with the example. Got it? Focus on the board. I wrote down simple example which is in the exercise 7.10. Okay, in this one, x square derivative will be 2x. Okay, one derivative will be 0, means I need to take a substitution for what? X square plus 1 as a t. Got it? You already know the substitution here. What is x square derivative will be 2x, derivative of 1 will be 0, derivative of t will be dt by dx. Okay, here x dx is there, that's why I'd like to write x dx is equal to, take a 1 by that 2 on right hand side, it will become 1 by 2 dt. Got it? Now I need to change the limits. This is the point you need to understand. When x equal to 0, I'll write when x is equal to 0, when x equal to 0, and when x is equal to, yes, upper limit 1. What are the changes in the t, that you have to write, you have to understand this part. Okay, now focus on the board. X value 0, wherever the substitution that you are going to take, in that x value 0, 0 square will be 0, 0 plus 1 will be 1, means t value will be 1. Got it? After that, in that one only, upper limit value 1 value. What is 1 square? 1 only. 1 plus 1 means t value will be 2. Got the point clearly? After this one, what are the changes made, that I need to substitute in the example. That will be very simple. Focus. Integral of 0 to 1 will be changed as 0 to 1 will be changed as 1 to 2. I had to write here 1 to 2. Got it? After that, x dx. What is x dx? It will be 1 by 2 dt. After that, x square plus 1, numerator substitutions are over, that's why 1 divided by x square plus 1 as a t. Got it? It will be 1 by t outside. What is integral of 1 by t? That you know very clearly. It is a log modulus of t. What are the limits? 1 to 2. Substitute upper limit value first, that is 1 by 2 as it is. It will be a log 2 minus log of 1. That you know already, log 1 value is 0. That's why it will be 1 by 2 log 2. We got the solution. Observe the next example. It is integral of 0 to pi by 2, root of sine pi cos pi to the power 5 d pi. We have to write this given example as 0 to pi by 2 square root of sine pi, let it be as it is. Cos pi can be written as cos to the power 4 pi cos to the power 1 into d pi. Okay, the next step, it will be 0 to pi by 2 square root of sine pi. Cos pi can be written as cos square pi to the power 2 cos pi d pi. Got the point clearly? It will be square root of 0 to pi by 2 square root of sine pi, cos square can be written as 1 minus sine square pi to the power 2 cos pi d pi. Got it? Is it clear? Then after this one, I'd like, obviously by observing the part, you'll understand sine pi value as a t. Got it? What is sine pi derivative? It will be a cos pi d pi, it will be dt. Now change of the limits you have to understand here. When pi is equal to 0, when pi is equal to pi by 2. Got it? What about the value when pi is equal to 0? Sine 0 will be, means t will be 0. When it is pi by 2, sine pi by 2 value will be 1. Got it? After this one, the next, what are the changes that we have made in the function? I had to write here. Integral over 0 to pi by 2 will be changed as 0 to 1. Got it? After that, square root of sine pi will be t, 1 minus t square to the power 2, cos pi d pi will be dt. Got it? Now the next step will be 0 to 1 root t. What is a minus b whole square? It will be a square will be 1 plus t to the power 4 minus 2t square into dt. Multiply with a square root t. It will be t to the power 1 by 2 only. First term multiplying. Okay. Then it is multiplied to second term. It will be t to the power 9 by 2 minus 2 into t to the power 5 by 2, means 1 by 2 plus 2, it is 5 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 4, it is 9 by 2. Got it? Any doubt in this part? Go for the integrals now. It will be t to the power 1 by 2 t to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 will be to numerator 2 by 3. Got it? Then plus t to the power 11 by 2. 11 by 2 to numerator 2 by 11 minus 2 as it is. T to the power 7 by 2. 7 by 2 to numerator 2 by 7. Got the point clearly? 0 to 1. If I am going to substitute the value 1 in the t, you will get these values. 2 by 3 into 1 to the power anything, same term, plus 2 by 11. Okay, 1 to the power 11 by 2, same. 2 into 2, 4 by 7. If I am going to substitute the value 0, I will get the value 0 only. Okay, what will be the LCM? LCM will be 231. Okay, it is this term will be multiplied by 77. 77 into 2 will be 144. Got the point? 154. Got it? 154 it is. Okay, plus it is multiplied by 21. 21 into 2 will be 42 minus. Okay, again 33 must be multiplied to 4. What I'll get? 132. Means 154 plus 42 minus 132, it will be 64 divided by 231. Got the point clearly? Observe the next example. Sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Here, I'd like to substitute x is equal to tan of theta. Got it? Okay, what is derivative of x? I'd like to write dx tan derivative will be secant square theta into d theta. What are the changes in the limit? You have to learn here. It is when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 1. Okay, x value replaced by tan 0 will be 0. Means what is the value here? Here I'd like to take tan on left hand side. It will be tan inverse of 0. What is tan inverse of 0? It will be 0 only. Now x value is 1. Tan inverse of 1, theta will be pi by 4. Got it? Limits will be changed as, instead of 0 to 1, 0 to pi by 4. It will be sine inverse of, what is 2x? It will be 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta into dx is nothing but secant square theta into d theta. Got it? After the next, it will be 0 to pi by 4 sine inverse of, what is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta? It is sine of 2 theta. Got it? Into secant square theta into d theta. Okay. What is the sine inverse of sine of 2 theta? It will be 2 theta. Okay. Theta secant square theta into d theta. Got the point clearly? Fine. Then the next part will be 2 outside Okay, theta secant square theta. I'd like to apply the u into v integration by parts. Integration by parts will be theta is the first function u, secant square is the second function v. Okay, I'd like to apply 0 integral of secant square theta d theta minus integral of in bracket integral of secant square theta d theta. Okay, d by d theta of what? Theta only into d theta. The limits will be same, no change in the limits, that is 0 to pi by 4. Okay, it will be 2 as it is. Theta, what is integral of secant square? It will be a tan theta minus integral of secant square will be a tan theta, derivative of theta will be 1 into d theta. The limits will be same, no change in the limits. Getting my point clearly? It will be 2 theta tan theta, okay, minus integral of tan theta will be, yes, it will be a log of modulus of secant theta. Okay, the limits are 0 to pi by 4. Now substitute the upper limit as well as lower limit. Okay, I'd like to substitute the upper limit of pi by 4. What is tan pi by 4? It was its value is 1 minus log of what is secant of pi by 4? It will be secant pi by 4 will be, it is root 2. Okay, these are the upper limit values. Minus 0 into anything 0 minus secant 0 will be 1, log 1 value will be 0. Okay, we got the value. 2 is multiplied to inside, 2 4 cancelled, it will be pi by 2. Again 2 is multiplied here, it will be 2 into log of root 2. Got it? Observe the next example. X square root of x plus 2. I'd like to substitute here x plus 2 as a t. Okay, x plus 2 as a t. Derivative of x will be 1, means dx I have to take. Derivative of t will be dt. Got it? After that, whenever it is independent x is there, x is equal to t minus 2 I have to take. Okay, now I need to discuss about the limits. Okay, what are the limits? Here I'd like to write when, okay, x value is 0. When x value is 2. Okay, what is when x value is 0? 2 plus 0 will be t is equal to 2. When x equal to 2, what is 2 plus 2? T value will be 4. Understood clearly? Then after this one, 0 to 2 will be changed as 2 to 4. Okay, x value, it will be t minus 2. It is square root of x plus 2 as a t, dx as a dt. I already changed the limits. Now root t is multiplied to t, it is 2 to 4, t to the power 1 plus 1 by 2, it is 3 by 2 minus 2, t to the power 1 by 2. The limits will be already changed. Now I need to integrate the terms. What are the integration of t to the power 3 by 2? It is t to the power 5 by 2, 5 by 2 to numerator, 2 by 5, okay, minus 2, okay. It is t to the power 1 by 2, integral will be t to the power 3 by 2. It will be 3 by 2 to numerator, 2 by 3. The limits are here, the values are 2 to 4. Got the point clearly? After that, I'd like to write the term. Okay, it will be upper limit value I have to substitute 2 divided by 5. 4 means I need to write, can I write it as a 2 square as a 4, 5 by 2 minus upper limit only 4 divided by 3, upper limit value 2 square I'd like to substitute, substitute 3 by 2. Okay, getting my point? Instead of writing 4, I am writing 2 square, means it is easy to cancel the values. Got the point clearly? After that, lower limit value will be 2 by 5, t value will be, instead of writing 2, can I write this one as a root 2 whole square? Got it? Root 2 whole square to the power how much? 5 by 2, means again it is easy to cancel, it will be 4 by 3, root 2 whole square, means root 2 whole square will be square root cancel, again I'll get the 2 value, the power will be 3 by 2. Got it? Okay, again 2 to cancel, here 2 to cancel. Okay, it will be 2 to the power 5 will be, yes, it will be 32 into 2 will be 64 minus 2 to the power 3 will be 8 into 4 30. Okay, 2 to the power 3 will be 8, 32 divided by 3 minus, it will be root 2 to the power 5. Root 2 to the power 5 will be root 2 into root 2 into root 2. How many times? It is 5 times. Okay, root 2 into 2 will be 2, root 2 into 2 will be 2, again 2 into 2, 4 root 2 it is. It will be 4 root 2 divided by 5. Okay, one more thing, outside 2 is there, it will be 8 root 2. Got it? After that, minus into minus will be plus. root 2 to the power 3 means it will be like this. Okay, got the point? It will be 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is multiplied to 8. 2 root 2 multiplied to 8 means 8 root 2 divided by, yes, it will be 3. Got the point clearly? Okay, go on simplifying. You'll get the regular solution value as a it will be 16 root 2 divided by, the value will be 15 into root 2 plus 1. Got the point clearly? Observe the next example. Here sin x divided by 1 plus cos square means put a cos x as a t. Okay, cos derivative will be sin x, derivative of t will be dt by dx. Okay, sin x dx will be dt. Getting the point clearly? Now I need to change the limits, nothing else in this one. When x is equal to 0, when x equal to pi by 2. Okay, now when x is equal to 0 means cos 0 will be, t value will be 1. When x is equal to pi by 2, cos pi by 2, t value will be 0. 0 to pi by 2 will be changed as 1 to 0. That you need to understand. What is sin x dx? It has a dt. It will be 1 divided by 1 plus cos is nothing but a t, cos square means t square. Okay, what is integral of 1 divided by 1 plus t square? It is tan inverse of t. Okay, the limits are 1 to 0. Yes, it is 1 to 0. Okay, substitute the upper limit value first. What is the upper limit value, can you say? Okay, and one more thing you need to understand. What is the derivative of cos x? Cos x derivative is minus sin x. Okay, it will be minus sin x will be, minus will be shifted on right hand side. It will become a minus term. Outside minus will be there. Okay, outside minus means let it be minus as it is. Substitute the upper limit value, tan inverse of 0 minus tan inverse of 1. Okay, it is tan minus as it is. Tan inverse of 0 will be 0 minus tan inverse of 1 will be pi by 4. It will be minus of minus will be plus. It is pi by 4. Okay, you need to understand cos derivative is minus sin x. In between sin and cos there is a slight confusion will be there, that you need to understand properly. Observe the next example. 1 divided by x plus 4 minus x square is there. First of all, I'd like to write the quadratic equation. Take minus taken common, x square minus x minus 4. Getting my point clearly? Okay, after this one minus will be common, x square a square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by 2. Getting my point? 2 to cancel, again I got the value a square minus 2ab. What is b value? 1 by 2. Adding 1 by 2 square, subtracting 1 by 2 square, the minus 4 value as it is, no change in that. Getting my point? It will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. It will be x minus 1 by 2 whole square. It will be minus 1 by 4 minus 4 it is. Okay, now x minus 1 by 2 whole square, 4 into 4 16, minus 16 minus 1 minus 17 divided by 4, means minus multiplied inside, 17 divided by 4 minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square, means I can write this one as a root 17 divided by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square, means it is in the form of standard form a square minus x square. Okay, I'd like to change the term. I am not changing the variable, just I am adjusting the, means completing the square method. I am simplifying it. 1 divided by, in this place I can write root 17 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square into dx. Got the point clearly? I'd like to continue the part by rubbing this regular part. Okay, now it is having the formula 1 divided by a square minus x square. What is integral of 1 divided by a square minus x square? Formula will be, it will be 1 by 2a log modulus of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. I'd like to use this formula 1 divided by 2a. What is a value? A value is root 17 divided by 2. Got it? After that, log of modulus of a. A means root 17 by 2 plus, okay, a plus x, x minus 1 by 2, denominator root 17 by 2 plus, what I had write, it is not plus, it will be minus x, minus or minus will be plus 1 by 2. Got it? the limits 0 to 2. First of all, I need to simplify. 2 will be cancelled. The value that I am getting is 1 divided by root square root of 17 log modulus of. Here I'd like to take a LCM and for the numerator as well as denominator. Root 17 plus 2x minus 1. Getting my point? After that, for the denominator, root 17 minus 2x plus 1. 2 will be cancelled. The limits are 0 to 2. Got the point clearly? Then after this one, I'd like to substitute upper limit as well as lower limit. Okay, 1 divided by root 17. What is the upper limit value? Focus on that. Log of modulus of, it is root 17 plus upper limit value. 2 into 2 will be 4 minus 1 divided by root 17 minus 4 plus 1. Okay, upper limit value is I substituted the value 2 minus log of lower limit value. I need to substitute the value 0. Root 17 0 means it will be 0, disappear the term, minus 1 divided by root 17 plus 1. Got it? Okay, next step will be 1 divided by root 17 log modulus of root 17 plus 4 minus 1 will be 3. Root 17 minus 4 plus 1 will be, yes, it will be minus 3. Okay, minus log of modulus of root 17 minus 1 divided by root 17 plus 1. Okay, got it? Then after this one, 1 divided by root 17. Now, what is the log A minus log B? Log of A by B. Log of, this is A. Our A means root 17 plus 3 divided by root 17 minus 3 by B, denominator to numerator. It will be root 17 plus 1 divided by root 17 minus 1. Getting the point clearly? Okay, now I'd like to multiply the term. Okay, 1 divided by root 17 log modulus of, I need to multiply root 17 into 17 will be 17 plus root 17 into 1 will be root 17 plus 3 root 17 plus 3. What about the denominator? It will be 17 into minus root 17 minus 3 root 17. After that, plus 3. Got it? Okay. Any doubt in this part? Now the next step will be 1 divided by root 17 log modulus of, it will be root 17 plus 3, it is 20 plus 3 plus 1, 4 root 17. Denominator will be 17 plus 3 will be 20, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 root 17. Okay, something is common in the numerator as well as denominator. Okay, some students are thinking about when the problem will finish off. Don't worry, it will finish. I'd like to take a 4 as a common. It will be 5 plus root 17 divided by 4 common, 5 minus root 17. Got the point? 4 will be cancelled. 1 divided by root 17. Okay, I missed the log here. I have to write log term. Log of modulus of 5 plus root 17 divided by 5 minus root 17. If you want to continue this part, you can. Again, rationalizing the denominator. I think you're enjoying it. Observe the next example. It is very simple example. X square plus 2x plus 5. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, got it? Completing the square, it will be x square plus 2 into x into, what I need to split? It will be 1. Means I need to write adding 1 square, subtracting 1 square plus 5. Okay, what is a square plus 2ab plus b square? It will be x plus 1 whole square. 5 minus 1 will be 4. It will be 2 square. Okay, got it? It will be integral of minus 1 to 1 divided by, what is the term? X plus 1 whole square plus 2 square into dx. Got the point clearly? Then it will be 1 divided by x square plus a square. It will be 1 by a. 1 by a means 1 by 2 tan inverse of x plus 1 divided by 2. The limits are minus 1 to 1. Got it? Then the next step will be 1 by 2. Upper limit value will be tan inverse of 1 plus 1 by 2 minus tan inverse of lower limit minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Got it? Now, the next step will be 1 by 2. What is tan inverse of 2 by 2 will be 1. Tan inverse of 1 will be pi by 4. Okay? Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Means we got the answer as a pi by 8. Got it? Observe the next example. Integral of 1 divided by x minus 1 by 2x square e to the power 2x dx means I'd like to take 2x as a t. Okay, 2x will be 2 dt by dx. Okay, I'd like to write dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Okay, now I'd like to change the limit when x equal to 1, when x is equal to 2. Got it? When x is equal to 1 means 2 into 1 will be 2, t value will be 2, t value will be, when x equal to 2, 2 into 2, it will be 4. 1 to 2 is changed as 2 to 4, it will be 2 to 4. Okay, now you need to understand here. Here from this point I'd like to write what is 1 by x, as well as how I have to write what is x value here. It is t by 2. Okay, concentrate. 1 divided by what is x value? It is t by 2. Got it? After that, minus 1 divided by 2. What is x square? It will be t square by 2 square will be 4. Getting my point clearly? It will be, what is e to the power? Yes, e to the power t means e to the power t. 2x is nothing but a t. Dx will be 1 by 2 dt. Getting the point clearly? Is it okay? Now it will be, now how I have to write the value? 2, 4 cancel. It will be, it is having a denominator as a 2. Concentrate. It will be 2 to 4. I like to take that denominator 2 to numerator. It will be 1 divided by t means which will be in the numerator, minus it is 1 divided by t square means in the numerator 2 will be there, that will be outside. E to the power t 1 by 2 dt. This 1 by 2 taken to numerator and taken common here. Okay, 2 will be cancelled. Then the next step will be 2 to 4. It will be e to the power t into bracket 1 divided by t minus 1 divided by t square into dt. Okay, it is of the form, very simple format that we already learnt. Integral of e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to, the answer is e raised to x f of x plus c. If it is indefinite, now I have to write the value as e to the power t, 1 by t derivative will be minus 1 divided by t square. It will be 1 divided by t plus, instead of c I have to write 2 to 4. Substitute the upper as well as the lower limit values. E to the power 4 divided by 4 minus e to the power 2 divided by 2. Then the LCM will be 4. It will be e to the power 4 minus 2e square. If you want to take e square common, it will be e square minus 2 divided by 4. Got the point clearly? Actually, it is a multiple choice. Instead of multiple choice, I made it how to solve it. I here given f of x equal to integral over 0 to x t sin t dt. I need to find f dash of t. That's why differentiating with respect to x, differentiating both sides. F of x derivative will be f dash of x. Derivative of integral of this function will be t sin t. The limits are 0 to x. Okay. F dash of x will be upper limit value x sin of x, 0 into anything will be 0. We got the solution. Okay. Right. I think you understood the video. All the questions in the video. Okay, got it? Don't forget to share, subscribe and like the video. Thank you one and all.